Okay guys, I'm starting off by outlining my brows and slightly filling them in with light strokes. Okay, now I'm brushing in my brows. I'm blending everything in with my spoolie. Now I'm going back in to fill up all the spaces I noticed with light strokes. Remember, light strokes, because we're going for a natural looking brows. Now I'm going back in with my spoolie and I'm brushing everything into place. Now everything looks all blended. Now I'm going to the other side and I'm doing exactly what I did for one part of my brows, and I'm doing it on the other side. Again, outlining my brows. So I went ahead to do all that off camera, and now I'm blending it all in. Gotta leave something there. I had to wipe it off. So blending, guys, blending is key. You have to blend. The secret is the more you blend, the more lighter your brows become. So I went back in with my pencil and I'm filling up all the spaces I noticed, and I'm blending them in again. Now I'm going to conceal using the lightest shade to conceal my underbrows. I didn't start concealing from the beginning part of my brows, but I said midway because I want my brow bones to be highlighted. Yes, so I'm just gently tracing my brows, just like the way you do it with your pencil. You also do that with your concealer, just giving it definition. Okay guys, so I went ahead to blend. I'm blending it all in, and while blending I use my blending brush to drag the concealer towards the starting point of my brows, so I can clean up that part of my brows to give it that natural look that we are going for. You guys can see how the starting part of my brow has no harsh concealer underneath it. Okay guys, I went ahead to conceal the other part of my eyes, the under part of my brows off camera. Now I'm concealing the top part of my brows using a mixture of my foundation, the FARYE Gold foundation, and LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. So the same thing that I did for my bottom brows, I'm not starting from the beginning of my brows, but I'm starting midway of my brows, and I'm just tracing it down. You guys can see it's a struggle, guys, to do all that on camera, and so I went ahead to finish it up off camera, and now I'm blending out the foundation and the concealer above my brows with my blending brush, and I did the same thing for the other part of my brows, and I'm just outlining using a mixture of my foundation and my concealer with short stroke, guys. You don't need to draw the lines, you don't have to go immediately with one straight line, starting small. So I went ahead to blend everything out. Sorry about that, my baby. Okay guys, so now entire face with my powder, and I made sure I blended in my powders where I applied foundation, most especially on my forehead. And so if you want to go out like your daily activities and you don't want to go out with makeup, you just want your brows looking, you know, snatched and all that, this is your go-to brow method. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.